this. Put it in. Get out of the way. Oh. Okay, you're good. Okay. Now you're gonna slide that back. You gotta pull hard.
Holding it.
You're good. You're good. Perfect. Right there. It's fine.
It's like glaring.
Here, hold that. Okay. Now you gotta slide it. Okay. It's loaded and ready to go. Ready? Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Don't hold your hand.
This is so scary.
This will slide back and pinch you. Keep squiggling. It's okay.
She looks petrified.
Oh! It hit me in the head.
Holy crap.
It hit me in the head.
Oh my gosh. Did you put like non-real ones in there?
No.
Okay, I was gonna say that'll throw her off.